A Spa Cleanliness Checklist ensures safe environments for guests, staff, and wellness operations everywhere today. Staff must sanitize treatment rooms, equipment, and tools after each client session finishes completely properly. Fresh linens, towels, and robes should replace used items promptly to maintain hygiene standards consistently. Reception areas, waiting lounges, and restrooms require frequent cleaning schedules documented for accountability purposes daily. Therapists should wash hands thoroughly before and after services, following approved sanitation protocols strictly always. Waste bins must be emptied regularly, and disposable supplies replenished to prevent contamination risks inside. Floors, doors, and high-touch surfaces need disinfecting solutions applied times throughout operating hours daily. Proper ventilation, aromas, and clutter-free spaces improve cleanliness perception among visiting wellness clients greatly. Managers should inspect storage areas weekly, ensuring chemicals, oils, and products remain safely organized always.